How to fix Instagram request. Hello guys and welcome back to another brand new video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram request. All what you have to do is just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager and then go to apps, and here on this page just scroll down until you find Instagram. When you find it, click on it, and then all what you have to do is click on this option, it's called permissions, and enable all the permissions right here. Go back again, click on force stop, and then go to the data usage, scroll down and disable the background data and the roaming data, and then go back, click on storage, click on clear data right here and clear cache. Go back again and go back again to the data usage. Scroll down and turn on the background data like this and the roaming data. Now all what you have to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again, and congratulations, the problem is gonna be fixed. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.